Salnwichisani Yakulo Paithago Nogo Kiphilwi Sokphaikha Pakistani Rangers Romwi Romwi Twlangjaknai BSF Jawan Purnam Kumar Shao Laithani 23 April Salmario Punjabni Firozpur Sector Border Amsaini Romwi Twlangjakmani Purnam Kumar Shao
Laithani 22 April Salmario Jammu Kashmir Pehelgam Amsayo Pakistani Shilai Patham Tuinya Rokni Yago Khogoi Buthar Jakmani Khorang Nuisidok Tourist Rock Patimuni Yagulo India te Pakistan border Amsayo Nukjakmani Tungphlamung Kaini Haktoni Bishingo Tongkhor tungphlajak tongmani abahai jorao patrolling khlai tongmani jorao laithani 23 April salmario border ni ayangnaro thangi sogimani 73rd battalion ni BSF Jawan Purnam Kumar Shao abon yagulo bono Romwi Twlangkha Pakistani Rangers abon yagulo kaini hakton bisingo choba nanglainani tunglok tongkhoro bono phyoge rohliya Pakistan hapang Paithago India ni bukhakte laithani 7 me salmario Pakistan tai pyogoni kaichuko terrorist scam no pekhagle rumani yagulo Nogo Kiphilwi Sokphaikha belai chance krai tongmani Purnam Kumar Shao phiaba Paithago India ni diplomacy tai hayongni kubun haktoni pressure bai srangsalo a BSF Jawan no India ni thani yafrerana nangkha Pakistan srangsal phungni 10:30 am tamani jorao Amritsarni Atari joint check post BSF Jawan rongni thani Purnam Kumar Shao no yafari rekha BGB ni Jawan rok Salnwichisani Yakulo Purnam Kumar Shao sakbai thangni hawa Kiphilwi Sokphaikha Yakulo BSF Jawan tai bini nokni porong bisingo nukjaka khatongmung tai tongthongmung Pakistan Army by Romwi Twlangjaknai BSF Jawan Purnam Kumar Shao Nogo Kiphilwi Sokphaikha ni party mungna tei West Bengal ni opposition leader Subendu Adhikari Shaka aboni credit Prime Minister Narendra Modi Home Minister Amit Shah tei BSF ni DG ni saktharmung bai hinai
Last several days the BJP MLA and important functionaries they visited Mr. PK Sahu house. A 4-member BJP MLA team also visited and spoke. Our ex-MP also visited and spoke. Myself also spoke to the family several times. I requested DG BSF, he assured me before 48 hours, we are working within short period, matter will be resolved. The all credit goes to Ma Durga. All credit goes to our beloved Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. All credit goes to our Home Minister, strongest Home Minister of our country, Mr. Amit Shah, and also the DG BSF. They did extraordinary job. PK Sahu is returning. We are happy. All the true Indian are also happy.
Paithago BSF Jawan Purnam Kumar Shao no medical khlainani bagai gana ni sakhamnago tlangi thangka BSF Jawan rok abon yagulo Pakistani Ranger rok bono Romwi Twlangmani yagulo tamok khlaika abono tei kok sungnani bagai bono Twlangjakha BSF ni kusuk ojomarok ni thani Bureau Report Chini Khorang